Rossi made the beat.
Okay, y'all, so this is the first video for this hair. This hair is from Nadula Hair. I will put the info down below. This is the box that it came with. And this is the Brazilian straight 26 inches. It's a 13x4 frontal, lace frontal wig, and it's 180 density. So yeah, I'm gonna do this hair another way, but I will do that in a separate video instead of just doing it all in this one video. But basically in this video I just did my middle parts and did some wand curls with some baby hairs. I didn't show everything because I have so many videos laying down wigs and all of that stuff, so you know, I didn't show everything in this video. But yeah, this is what we came out with. And don't mind this is a burn. I'm gonna take care of it, but yeah. Okay, dolls, so this is the box that the hair came in, and then here is the wig. I didn't curl it or anything yet, which you will see me do in the video. And then you can see here that it does have combs inside of the wig and everything like that, and also a comb in the back. I think it did come with 3 combs at the top, but I did take the 2 out on the sides. And at first I was going to go for this type of style, like with a swoop and a ponytail, but it was going to be a little bit more work than I was prepared to do on this day. But as you can see, it would have been a cute look, but you know, you just have to really sleek everything, and I would have had to cut the hair to make the bangs shorter and all of that. So we'll do that in another video. So yeah, I just decided to go ahead and do some wand curls and just style the hair down. In the next video, I have a really cute little style with this hair that will be coming for you. So yeah, I'm just using a wand to do some curls, and I believe this one is like a 1-inch standard size wand curler, and it's from Numi if anyone is wondering where it's from, if you want to pick it up. But you could pick up one from pretty much anywhere, and they all pretty much work the same as long as it gets really hot and it will get the job done. So yeah, I'm just putting some wand curls in this hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my middle part. I did lay this wig down with Got to Be Glued gel and the hairspray. If anyone is wondering, I have so many videos doing it that I was just like, yo, I'm not even about to show that today. I'm just gonna put this wig on and then we're gonna style it out. So yeah, then I'm going ahead and defining the middle part. I don't know why, but every time I do my middle part on camera, it is always slanted, and I always have to go back and straighten it up. So you will see the part get straight later on in the video. So after I lay that down with some wax and the hot comb, I am going to put a little bit of layers in the front just to face frame the hair more, because it is all one even length, and I just feel like it will look a little bit better if I go ahead and cut a little bit of layers in the front. So then I'm just finishing up curling all of the hair, and then I'm going to comb it out with my wide tooth comb that I love so much for like wand curls and curls in general. I just feel like it gives it a beautiful look. So yeah, I'm just combing the hair out and just seeing, you know, what we came up with. The curls are pretty and everything like that, but we definitely have to go ahead and fix the front of the wig. If you want to do baby hairs, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. You can just kind of slick the hair back and do a no baby hair look if that's what you prefer. But you know me, I'm going to do some baby hairs. So I'm just parting it off in sections and taking the hair and making little swoops to do the baby hairs. I find it easy to separate the hair like this. Like you pull your hair back with some clips and you kind of just pull down what you need. It just makes it a lot easier, and it's not so messy and all over the place. You can really see what you're doing and really focus in on getting that baby hair laid and slayed. So yeah, I'm just using an eyebrow razor to cut the hair, and then I'm gonna take some wrapping mousse and just use this to lay the baby hairs down. You can see it dripping down my face right here, and I just did 2 baby hairs on each side, a lot a lot. I used to like to do a whole lot, but now I just do like 2 on each side. Just depends. So yeah, this is the completed look, and the hair is really, really pretty. I love this hair. It's really soft. And yeah, Nadula hair is bomb. So definitely check them out. I will put all the links and information down below.